Hi everyone, my name is Cathy Richards and I work at Southern Pine Senior Center, and today we're going to learn all about spinach. Spinach is very healthy for you, and eating spinach may benefit eye health, reduce stress, help prevent cancer, and reduce blood pressure levels. There are many ways to prepare spinach. You can buy it canned, frozen, or fresh, and eat it cooked or raw. Most of the carbs in spinach consist of fiber, which is incredibly healthy. Spinach also contains small amounts of sugar, mostly in the form of glucose and fructose. Spinach is high in insoluble fiber, which may boost your health in several ways. It helps your digestive system. Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A. Spinach is high in carotenes, which your body can turn into vitamin A. Vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin health and immune function. Vitamin K1. This vitamin is essential for blood clotting. One spinach leaf contains over half of your daily needs. Folic acid, also known as folate or vitamin B9. This compound is vital for pregnant women and essential for normal cellular function and tissue growth. Iron. Spinach is an excellent source of this essential mineral. Iron helps create hemoglobin, which brings oxygen to your body tissues. Calcium. This mineral is essential for bone health and for nervous system, health, heart, and muscles. People who are prone to kidney stones may want to avoid spinach. This leafy green is also very high in vitamin K1, which can be a problem for people that are on blood thinners. Now we're going to make a delicious spinach salad. First, we start with fresh spinach. Just a cup of fresh spinach. You pour it into the bowl. And then 1 cup of leafy lettuce. I used curly lettuce. 1 cup of sliced strawberries. 1/2 cup of celery, thinly sliced. 1/2 of a red onion, thinly sliced. Green onions, 1/2 cup, sliced. And 1/4 cup of walnuts. We're going to just toss that all together. And it is delicious. I made one last night for dinner just to try it out before I made it for y'all. And then we put the raspberries on. That is 1 cup of fresh raspberries. And then 1/4 cup of raspberry vinaigrette. Just drizzle it right over. And I didn't measure that out, but you can use as much or as little as you want, and then just toss it. And then you have a beautiful spinach salad. I hope to see y'all real soon in person so we can eat this and try this together. Have a great day. Bye.